Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is global wildlife numbers declined by 73%. Why in news? According to the Worldwide Fund for Nature's Living Planet Report 2024, there has been a 73% decline in the average size of monitored wildlife populations from 1970 to 2020. The report recently released said that significant collective effort will be required over the next 5 years to tackle the dual climate and nature crisis. About Living Planet Report 2024. The Living Planet Report is released every 2 years by the Worldwide Fund for Nature. It provides a comprehensive analysis of the status of global wildlife populations and ecosystems. The 2024 edition covers a time period from 1970 to 2020 with data collected from the Zoological Society of London. The report covers almost 35,000 population trends of 5,495 species globally. The report aims to raise awareness about the biodiversity crisis and push for strong global commitments. It also serves as a reference document for environmental policymakers and conservationists. Key points of the Living Planet Report 2024. The report shows the most significant decline in freshwater ecosystems at 85%, followed by terrestrial and marine ecosystems. The primary drivers of wildlife population decline include habitat loss, degradation, and overexploitation. Pollution and diseases are additional threats, especially in regions like Asia and the Pacific, which have seen a 60% decline. The Living Planet Index for 2024 is based on a broader dataset, including 265 more species and 3015 more populations than the 2022 edition. In India, 3 vulture species have shown severe declines: the white-rumped vulture 67%, Indian vulture 48%, and slender-billed vulture 89%. Despite these declines, India's tiger population has shown a positive trend, increasing to 3,682 in 2022 from 2,967 in 2018. The report underscores that national commitments are insufficient to meet global biodiversity targets for 2030. The need for urgent collective effort. Global commitments and shortfalls. Although there are ambitious global agreements such as the Global Biodiversity Framework and the Paris Agreement, the report emphasizes that national actions fall short of what is required to avert a biodiversity crisis. Early warning indicators. Declining wildlife populations serve as an early indicator of ecosystem instability, signaling potential irreversible changes. Threat of tipping points. The report warns that ecosystems like the Amazon rainforest and coral reefs are nearing dangerous tipping points which could have severe global repercussions. Conservation and policy recommendations. Immediate, concerted efforts are needed at the governmental, community, and international levels to halt and reverse nature loss. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about Living Planet Report 2024. The Living Planet Report is released annually by the Worldwide Fund for Nature. According to the report, there has been a 23% decline in the average size of monitored wildlife populations from 1970 to 2020. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send us the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.